Hey guys, we're back again with the video. The train's coming. Another inbound. Again. Alright, Dad, so train's coming again. We got it down Easter, guys. That was insane. We got it down Easter. Coming a little fast-ish. We got it down Easter, though. And yeah, so the train is coming. Want to stand there again?
Yes.
You're going to get the good view, buddy. Yep. There we go. Thought it was another Amtrak for a second. Dad, the train's early. The train's early. Bro, train's early, Dad. Dad, it's a double-decker cab car. Double-decker. Dad, the train is early. Dad, the train is actually early, bro.
Wow.
Train is for once early.
It hasn't been that late, though.
All right, 527 commuter rail. Here comes the train. Yes. All righty. Oh, it stinks. I don't know where it goes. Okay, guys, train's Thank you for watching this video of the commuter rail. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, smash that bell. And thank you guys for watching our channel, and goodbye.